Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Friends, first of all, I want to thank all my friends, all my subscribers who have subscribed our channel, and thank you so much for your support. And those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe our channel and share these videos to your friends and colleagues to more and more support. Today we have a different topic on Excel, which is very useful on daily basis. We have using in our daily to daily work life. So today I have a interesting topic. So please watch carefully and share with your friends who are working on Excel and want to learn new things in Excel. So friends, today's scenario is there. If you have a data in Excel and you want to copy filtered rows and want to paste it again on filter rows, it won't be work as it is exactly. Let me show you the example, then you will understand what I want to say you, right? Okay. For example, I have created one data file for you guys. If you see, there is a data in column B, we have a country, and column C, we have data of number of employees. For example, if I show you that Austria, a country, there are 38 rows, right? I'm giving just an example for you so that you could understand better. See, I pasted here in Australia, and Austria will be changed. If I'm changing this Austria to Austria as AU, right? And I copied this all entire rows, and again I want to paste it in this filtered rows. What will be happening? Just see here. Okay, I'm scrolling down. See, it won't paste all the rows. However, I selected entire rows where the Australia. You saw that when we try to copy entire cell from different sheet to again try to paste it on the that particular sheet, it won't paste it all the entire cell. See, entire rows. So to avoid such situation where we have copy of filtered rows in Excel, like how we can do, either we have to do this as a manual task, the manual typing to do copy and paste again and again for each and row. Either we can smart work here to use a macro which we have created, so it will reduce your work and do the things in correct and proper way. So you will get this thing in a quick manner. So I will show you how we can work on a different country. For example, if I use this time as a India, see as a 93. So I just copied this in a different sheet. Okay. If I change this India as Bharat, okay. So now if I want to copy this to the filter rows on here, so how it will work? We have created one macro. So simply you use this macro to your working Excel, and you can do your job in a quick second. Let's see, I will show you. Yeah, this is the macro which we have written. Just you need to just copy this. First of all, you have to go on your Excel working Excel file and just type as Alt F8 and give it your whatever you want to reference this macro. I'm just giving BB enter. Here you have to just copy and paste the macro. Okay, and I want to go just I have to run this macro. Here you will see it is asking you to provide a copy range. So I have to provide a range. This is the range. Okay, after providing this range, it will ask you the pasting range where you want to paste. So I want to paste this value here. So providing this exact range. If I'm selecting all the rows, okay. Now just click OK and you can see it is pasting all the filtered rows on a correct way on a correct rows where you just want to paste your data. And whenever you see this pop up, this macro page, then it means your data, your sheet is already run the macro and you have done this. You can check here. If I'm see this Bharat, see on line number 28 it is already changed as a Bharat. So friends, this is what I today have you I have a video for you to learn something new in Excel. It is very useful. So friends, that's it for today's video. Wow, I have a for you guys. So if you feel this is a good, and if you want to more learn and explore something new in Excel, and you if you have any topic you want to learn, please share it with your comments in channel video link descriptions. And this macro I will share with you in a video after this video, and you guys will be able to use in there your daily Excel file. And once again, friends, please share this video to your friends and colleagues who are working in Excel and who wants to learn some quick task and want to do some uh, macro using their macros. So it will really help them. And please subscribe and share this channel to other friends. Thank you. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.